What if the most extraordinary discoveries in human history were hidden, not in distant galaxies, but beneath the scorching sands of the Nevada desert? What if the truth about advanced technology, secret aircraft, and even non-human intelligence has been concealed in plain sight for decades? Few places ignite human curiosity as intensely as Area 51, a name that has transcended geography to become a global symbol of secrecy, speculation, and scientific mystery. Located within the Nevada Test and Training Range, approximately 83 miles north-northwest of Las Vegas, Area 51 is officially known as Groom Lake, or Homey Airport. For years, the United States government denied its existence entirely, a denial that only intensified public fascination. When the CIA finally acknowledged Area 51 in 2013, it did little to silence conspiracy theories. Instead, confirmation validated one truth: if a government hides something for that long, it must be important. Area 51 emerged during the height of the Cold War, an era defined by paranoia, espionage, and technological rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. In the early 1950s, the U.S. needed a remote, highly secure location to test experimental aircraft beyond the scrutiny of foreign intelligence agencies. Groom Lake, a dry salt lake surrounded by mountains, provided natural isolation and ideal testing conditions. One of the first projects developed there was the Lockheed U-2 spy plane, designed to fly at unprecedented altitudes. When civilians reported strange objects in the sky during U-2 test flights, the government attributed sightings to weather balloons, an explanation that only deepened public distrust. Ironically, many early UFO reports were likely observations of classified aircraft rather than extraterrestrial visitors. Beyond speculation, Area 51 has undeniably played a critical role in advancing aerospace technology. The facility has been linked to revolutionary aircraft such as the A-12 Oxcart, SR-71 Blackbird, and stealth technologies that reshaped modern warfare. These aircraft introduced radical design philosophies, including radar evasion, extreme altitude capabilities, and hypersonic speed. The secrecy surrounding these projects was not theatrical, it was strategic. Any leak could have shifted the balance of power during one of the most volatile periods in global history. Even today, Area 51 is believed to be involved in testing next-generation propulsion systems, autonomous flight platforms, and possibly aerospace technologies that remain decades ahead of public knowledge. Despite its verified military significance, Area 51's reputation is inseparably tied to extraterrestrial mythology. Allegations of alien spacecraft recovery, reverse-engineered technology, and hidden biological entities have persisted for generations. The Roswell incident of 1947, though occurring in New Mexico, became symbolically intertwined with Area 51, fueling the belief that alien debris and perhaps living beings were transported to the base for analysis. Whistleblowers such as Bob Lazar, who claimed to have worked on alien propulsion systems at a site near Area 51, inflamed public imagination. Although his assertions remain unproven and heavily disputed, they reinforced the idea that Area 51 is less a military base and more a vault of forbidden knowledge. Hollywood, television, and popular literature have magnified this mythology. From blockbuster films to video games, Area 51 has been portrayed as humanity's first point of contact with alien civilizations. In this sense, Area 51 is not merely a physical location, it is a cultural phenomenon, reflecting humanity's longing to answer one of its oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? The mystique of Area 51 is sustained not only by what is hidden, but by how secrecy is enforced. The airspace above the facility is among the most restricted in the world. Surveillance cameras, armed patrols, and unmarked security forces ensure that no unauthorized individual comes close. Even employees are bound by lifelong non-disclosure agreements, often unaware of the full scope of projects they support. This extreme secrecy has psychological consequences. When official information is scarce, speculation becomes inevitable. Area 51 exemplifies the tension between national security and public transparency. While secrecy protects technological advantages, it simultaneously erodes public trust, creating fertile ground for conspiracy theories and alternative narratives. From a scientific perspective, there is no verified evidence that Area 51 houses extraterrestrial life or alien spacecraft. Astrophysicists argue that interstellar travel on such a scale would require energy levels far beyond known physics. However, the absence of evidence does not equate to evidence of absence, a nuance that continues to fuel debate. What is indisputable is that Area 51 represents humanity's relentless pursuit of technological supremacy. Whether testing experimental aircraft or developing classified defense systems, the facility embodies innovation conducted beyond public awareness. In the era of satellite imagery, social media, and open-source intelligence, absolute secrecy is increasingly difficult. Yet Area 51 remains largely opaque. Even high-resolution satellite photos reveal little beyond hangars, runways, and barren land. This paradox, visibility without understanding,